Hi, this is Fawley, Outreach Specialist with the Washington State Department of Ecology. I hope this video finds you and your families well. I also hope that this virtual tour of the CK Fish cleanup site has been helpful and informative. Obviously, I'm not joining you all from the Blaine Harbor right now, but instead joining you from home, like many of you all. As you've learned throughout this virtual tour, the CK Fish cleanup site is beginning Washington's formal cleanup process, which is directed by Washington's environmental cleanup law, the Model Toxics Control Act, or MACA for short. Public participation is built in at specific steps, highlighted here in this infographic by orange comment bubbles, including our current step of public review and comment on drafts of the legal agreement and public participation plan. For 30 days beginning October 12th and running through November 10th, 2020, Ecology welcomes comments on two documents for the CK Fish site, a draft legal agreement called an agreed order and a draft public participation plan. These documents are available for review and digital download from Ecology's cleanup site webpage listed here. During this 30-day comment period, you can comment in one of two ways. You can submit a comment through Ecology's online e-comments form. You can go directly to this online form through the web link here, or by visiting Ecology's cleanup site webpage. The second way you can comment is by contacting Ecology's site manager, Chris Matthews, directly through email or mail. Commenter contact information is optional. Contact information is necessary, however, if you want to receive future notices or responses. Thank you again for joining us on this virtual tour. If you have any questions about this comment period or any future Ecology outreach, please feel free to contact me via phone or email that you see below. I know we may be separated now, but we'd really like to help you stay connected to the progress that we're making on cleaning up Blaine Harbor. Thank you, and take care.